Okay, let's start from transpose force and mass. Then name force as F, name mass as M. Then I use let's add variable, so A is this number of A team, and then mass is sum of M multiplied by A, and then return mass here. Then next one, I need B, so B is the number of B team, and MB mass of B team here, and X is net force, so A minus B multiplied by force, and return absolute of force here. Then this one return the number of lost team, so check if force is more than 0, return team B and team A, and then return the team C here. Then this one is almost done, so I need to round up the velocity, multiply by C, divide by absolute of net force, and round everything. Okay, next one is the most complicated one, so I need the number of winning team, and this is quite complicated one. So sequence, this is the number of turn that can happen, and then this scan is return number of cumulative number of elephant, horse, weightlifter until kit, and then X map to find absolute force by this mode. Again, this is calculate the number of mass on each turn, no, number of force on each turn, and momentum is force multiplied by 2. Okay, copy down or done here. So just check some number here. So level 5 and level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1, and I'm gonna do the bonus question. So I need force by mass here. And then first one, elephant by kit, so in of elephant by kit and +1. Next one is start with 100k, and then divide by max of the ratio here. This one, the maximum of force on each team, so Mammoth. I use this one a lot. And this is to calculate number of force of team A, so transpose of it. And then same for team B. Need to choose the range here, and then again transpose of force, cross. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.